Hello everyone, my name is Tangiso Selemela and today I'm going to present you my project's prototype. So the name of my project is Solar Greenhouse Monitoring System. So actually what this project does, it monitors the greenhouse conditions inside the greenhouse so that they will be suitable for the growing of the plants that will be planted in that specific greenhouse. So this was my problem statement that according to the current situation in our country, we have been faced with load shedding. So now, which means that our production is being affected since most of our watering systems are being, like I've said, have been powered by electricity, especially the pumps. So now they will be using solar as an alternative source of energy to power up our whole project. So now I'm gonna take you through my working of the project. So now this is what's gonna happen. Firstly, we're gonna measure the soil moisture, and then we're gonna determine if it's dry. Well, that means it will require us to water the plants. So if the soil is not dry, which means it is moist, then there won't be any watering needed. And then secondly, we'll monitor the conditions around the greenhouse, which is the temperature inside the greenhouse and the humidity percentage inside the greenhouse. So these factors are very important for the production of the plant, for every plant. Temperature and humidity are very important. So now if it happens that both the temperature or the humidity turns above 30, it will happen that it will activate the servo motor to open the windows, allowing ventilation and allowing excess air to cool down the greenhouse. So now, in that process, that allows a possibility that there might be animals entering into our greenhouse. So to avoid such casualties, there will be a buzzer that will be designed to scare off the animals if they happen to enter inside there. So the detection will be done by our PIR sensor there. So now, as I've said, that once the soil moisture is, once the soil is dry, it will activate the pumps. So for now, the pump will be represented by a shining light. So the shining light will represent the operation of the pump, meaning it will be watering the pump, it will be watering the plants. So now, without any wasting time, let me show you the operation of my circuit. So now, as you can see, now the soil moisture is out from the soil. This means that it senses dryness. So you can say, as you can see, that the light that I was talking about there, it's shining, meaning it demonstrating that the water pump, which is the solenoid, which is this one, which is pumping water, it will be operating. So when I put this inside here, I'm gonna put this, immerse it inside this dry soil, now this moisture. So now, as you can see, it is inside the soil that is moist, and now there's no need for water the plants because now the soil is already moist. And then now, secondly, as we said, that we're gonna be measuring the temperature and the humidity. So for the sake of demonstration purposes, I am gonna be the one that is increasing the humidity and the temperature inside these greenhouses. So I'm just gonna demonstrate it to you. So, so as I've said, that when the humidity, it rises above 30, as you can see here, the humidity is 95 and the temperature there is 27%. So if one of the factors rises above 30 degrees Celsius, it will activate the servo motor to open the window. And now, as you can see, our window is open, meaning allowing ventilation to come inside. So now, all all the data that I'll be collecting from this project, from the soil moisture and from the DHT level, they will be recorded at FinSpeak, which is a simulation that records everything here. So now, as you can see here, we have our chart, which is this one, which is measuring the temperature, which you see it has been changing. Like I said, you see now the data has been updated less than 1 minute ago. And right here, it demonstrates the humidity, which I have demonstrated how. And then here, this is our soil moisture. As you can see, it is just measured when it was above and when it was low. So as you can see now, and now remember I told you about if it happens that the window opens, there might be possibilities of animals entering into our greenhouse gas, into our greenhouse. So we need to avoid that, meaning that we have to scare them using our buzzer. So now here, our PIR sensor will detect the motion. It will detect the motion inside the greenhouse gases, inside the greenhouse. Now, it will display this green LED, red LED. So now, as you can see, the buzzer is busy buzzering, which means it is a scaring of the animal intruders that will be inside our greenhouse. So now, I'm just gonna try to move away from it so that the PI sensor will stop sensing any motion. So we're just gonna give it time so that it will stop. As it's busy buzzering there. So now, as you can see, there's no motion there. That means the animals have run away. So this one is the whole of my prototype, and I thank you.